Would you like to save 50 to 80% on your network and IT maintenance contracts? Tired of being forced into costly upgrades of your network? Need a partner that can support end-of-life equipment when the OEM refuses? Does your OEM overcharge you for recurring maintenance and support services? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then you need to contact us. We're Worldwide Services, and we're experts in the third-party global maintenance and services business with decades of proven experience. Our multi-vendor maintenance program, NetGuard, covers virtually all of your network infrastructure, regardless of the brand. And not only do we provide guaranteed same or next business day network hardware replacements across the globe, but we also provide a customized on-site field service with 2 or 4 hour response time options. You get 24/7, 365 access to certified engineers and web resources to help ensure the immediate and expert resolution of all critical network issues. Contact Worldwide Services today to see how NetGuard can help you save.